cracker back at you. Okay, we're out here working on the Cutlass today. Trying to take the back seats out. I got the dash in it. I'm about to taking it apart. Got a little Panasonic in there. Got some DS18 4" in the on the dash. And these old Pioneers that come with the car. We're going to put a sub or two in the back. So I'm taking the back seats out. I just figured out how to do that. So we can put a couple of subs back there, but I got to get the top up to be able to access this roll bar piece because it's got to come off to take the side panels off to replace this. You can't find this anywhere. They don't make it. There is no reproduction part. So here's what I've done. If anybody needs help with that little side rubber on a convertible Cutlass Supreme, here's what you do. Hey, Jazzy Kate. Hey, Bunny Cat. You find you a Trans Am or a Camaro, and you take this outside rubber and cut it to shape, cut it to length, and pop, rivet, or screw it in there. It should work perfectly. That's what I'm going to do. But we got the Equinox running and kind of got bit in the ass on this one. It cranks, runs fine, but it's got a rattle in the top end. So I'm going to have to pull the upper and lower plenum off and replace the lifters in it, and hopefully that'll fix it, and hopefully the cam's not damaged. But it runs great. Just got a ticking, not a ticking, but a rattle in the top end. As long as it's not the timing chain, I'll be okay. I mean, if it's the timing chain, Jesus. I mean, if that motor's got to come back out, I'm just going to put the other one back in it. But I just wanted to touch base with you guys. Out here tinkering. I got so much to do, I don't even know where to start, so I'm just doing something just to make an effort. But what do you think? Not too bad for an old girl struck by lightning in 2011, finally back alive. So we're on that. Had a good time at the I Serve the Street show. We brought bass submission and got my ass handed to me. Alright, this isn't a wild car, but it is considered a wild because my enclosure is above the glass line. So Billy Temple is like, that's a wild. I don't care what y'all say, how you look at it, that's a wild. If you don't think so, you need your head examined. So if they're going to continue putting me in a wild class, competing against these 150 and 160 cars, it's all coming out. Either way, it was going to come out anyways. I mean, you guys know, we had it in here last year for Sundown last year. And I thought about bringing it Saturday. But I don't know, she's not going to do much. I mean, people may want to see it, so I don't know. I really don't want to bring it until I come back with something that'll destroy a meter in this thing. So I got a bunch of sound deadener and everything, and I'm thinking about putting 6 L7s in a clamshell right behind the seats. I mean, all facing forward. And I want to wear that damn meter out with L7s. I know everybody hates those things. I'm not going to be able to demo long on them because the coils get so hot. But I mean, I could burp or SPL pretty good with those things. So I got me some roadkill from Stinger. We're going to put a lot of this in the Cutlass and maybe on the roof of the Outback. If not, I'll get some thicker stuff. I've got some more right here from Sky High. I've got second skin and all kinds of stuff, but I need a lot more. A lot more. If I'm going to do this right, we're going to do it right. Soon we'll start pulling the tranny on this one. But I'm hoping to see you guys at Ruckus in this thing. I've got 4 of those NEP HD V218s we're going to try to sandwich in here. And it's going to be hard because those damn strut towers right there protrude out. So I really haven't figured out how I'm going to do this. I've got BBS designing me a box, so I need to get out here tomorrow morning and take all of these interior panels out to see how much more it's going to give me at these strut towers. So far we've got 4 foot wide by 4 foot back by 30 or 31 tall, minus the 36.5 in between the strut towers. But I didn't give him a measurement from here back to the strut towers. So there's really no need in it until I can get a little extra. And we've got all kinds of parts in here. Man, this thing smells. Smells like if a soured asshole smoked like a piece of a freaking cheap cigar and then wrapped itself in a wet sock and hopped in a microwave for a minute and a half. That would be a hot pocket. But she's already got an Alpine, and I think there's a 4-channel JL under the seat. This is going to be a nice little shit box. I don't like the fact that someone put a Godfather's custom sunroof or moonroof in this thing. This might be problematic. We'll see. But I'll get back with you guys. I'm going to get back to swinging some freaking tools over here on this little hoe. And I will see you guys at sundown. Dapper Cracker out.